Okay, guys and gals, as I promised, I ordered some Mohawk toner, and here are the wedge and the bowl. As you can see, the bowl is really red and the wedge is really brown, and so I got some toner here to try to bring them to life at the same color, or at least in the same tone, the same tint. So that's what this little short video is going to be all about. So let's quit wasting time and get started. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. As promised, I got some Mohawk tone finisher. I have Perfect Brown. This one is Raw Umber, and this one here is Dark Van Dyke Brown. All right. Now, I don't like either one of those. In fact, I tested them. They don't have any red at all in them. So what I need to change is the bowl, not the wedge. As you can see, the wedge is a lot redder than the bowl. That stuff's real easy to use. There's no trick to it. It goes over most everything and anything. I'm not even going to sand. And I think I'll use, well, I think I'll test it on the bottom here. Let me get something prop that up on. Now you have to be careful how you spray this stuff, because it's like paint. It'll cover like paint does. So you kind of touch it back just a little bit. Let's see what raw umber does. Shake it up really good, and you just kind of lightly touch it. Let's try a little bit Van Dyke Brown. Well, if we put that over here next to the thing, you can see it is making it browner. So, I don't know which one I want to go with. Hard decision. I think maybe the raw umber might have been a little better. Now you're not trying to paint it, you're just trying to tone the color. Well, I don't know. Now the thing you do want to do is be sure to turn the cans upside down and squirt them out, otherwise you'll plug up and they won't work. And this stuff dries almost instantly. Let's see here. Well, let's try the Perfect Brown. You know, this thing is really a weird color. It just didn't take that stain at all. Well, I don't know. What do you think, guys? I know that first side I sprayed, it didn't hardly change the color. Yeah, I think the Perfect Brown is the answer. It's just amazing how fast that dries. All right. Now it's not going to be exactly the same color, as you can see. You're just trying to tone it so that they kind of match. And I just want to take some of the redness out of this thing. And like I said, you want to be careful how much you spray on there, or you cover up all the grain. Oh, I should have a mask on. That stuff is really potent. I think that's about all I can do to it. It's just a matter now of spraying some lacquer back on it to make it nice and shiny. I might rub it just a little bit with some 2000 grit paper. And I don't know if it's necessary or not. It feels smooth. But as you can see, it took a lot of the red out. And we're getting close to what it looks like. So anyway, this is just a short video to tell you about Mohawk. Good stuff. It really works. And if you got enough colors, you can match almost everything and anything. I've used it a lot, and it really works. All right, hey, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, all that stuff. You know the drill. I appreciate you watching. You're all a bunch of good guys. Well, all right, and gals, and we'll catch you later on a rebound. Bye now. Well, here's the finished product. You know, it's not a perfect match, but at least they're the same tint now. They're both toned to a nice brown. Remember, the two things you want to be sure to do: not too heavy, or you'll paint over it, and be sure to turn your can upside down. The stuff's too expensive to waste. It'll plug up if you don't. Hey, thanks again for watching, guys.